Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 2924 named Find Champion 2. In this problem, there are n teams numbered from 0 to n-1 in a tournament, and each team is also a node in a directed acyclic graph. Now, you are given the integer n and a zero-index two-dimensional array where each of the entry is representing the edge of a directory acyclic graph. Now, for each of the edge, there is two value u and v, indicates that there is a directed edge from team u to team v in a graph. Now, a directed edge from team A to team B in the graph means that team A is stronger than team B and team B is weaker than team A. Now, team A will be the champion of the tournament if there is no team B that is stronger than team A. And we have to return the team that would be champion of the tournament if there are unique champion. Otherwise, if there are multiple champion, we have to simply return -1. Now, let's consider the first example. 0 is connected to 1 and 1 is connected to 2. So here, team 1 is weaker than team 0 according to the problem statement, and team 2 is weaker than team 1. So we can say that team 2 is weaker than also team 0. So here in these scenarios, team 0 is the winner. But here we can see that in the second example, team 1 is connected to 3, team 1 is connected to 2, and 0 is connected to 2. So here, team 3 and 2, both of them are weaker than team 1, and team 2 is also weaker than team 0. So here we can see that team 0 and 1 are the two stronger team. So as there are multiple stronger team, we have to simply return -1. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. In this problem, to understand the algorithm, we have taken two of the examples and we will use the in degree concept to solve this problem. Here, as we are given a directed edge from 0 to 1, so we can say that for this edge, the in degree of 1 will be 1 and in degree of 0 will be 0. For this edge 1 to 2, the in degree of 2 will be 1 and in degree of 1 will also remain 1. So basically what this in degree means? In degree basically means that the number of edges connected towards a node or moving towards a node. So here, as for this second edge, for this node 2, it is only moving one edge towards the node 2. So here, the in degree is 1. So, which is the champion here? Can you guess? The champion is the team which has the in degree equal to 0. That means what basically this in degree 0 means? Basically, this in degree 0 indicates that there is no stronger team than for this node 0. So we can say that for this scenario, the champion is the 0. But what is the scenario for this second example? Here, team 1 is weaker than team 0 and team 3. Team 2 is weaker than team 1. So here, the in degree of 0 or for this edge 0 to 1, the in degree of 1 will be 1. And for this edge 1 to 2, the in degree of 2 will be 1. For this edge, the in degree of 1 will become 2. And the in degree of 0 and 3 will remain 0. So here, what basically these 2 in degree means? That means there is no stronger team than node 0 and 3. So here, node 0 and node 3 can be a potential tournament champion. But here, as we have multiple answer, we have to simply return -1. And for this, we will simply check the in degree by using the in degree array. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, we are given a function named find champion, which has integer n and a list of edges. So we have to initialize a in degree array of size n with 0. And now let's assume the number of champions is 0 and the answer is 0. So for each of the edges, we have to increment the in degree of the iterator 1. And for each of the node from 0 to n, if the in degree of I is 0, that means this node I is the potential tournament champion. So we have to initialize answer with I and increment the counter of number of champion by 1. And here finally, if the number of champion is greater than 1, that means we have multiple champion here, so we have to return -1. Otherwise, we have to simply return answer, which is the only single champion. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.